Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Chevrolet has built a strong reputation for reliable vehicles, and much of that comes down to its electrical systems and transmissions. These components keep your car running smoothly, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets. If you own a Chevy, are thinking about buying one, or just love cars, understanding how these systems work can save you time and money. Electrical issues or transmission troubles can turn a great drive into a frustrating experience, but knowing what to look for helps. This guide breaks down key features, common problems, and simple maintenance tips to keep your Chevy in top shape. Whether you're a weekend mechanic or just want to stay informed, we'll cover what matters in clear, practical terms. Overview of Chevrolet's electrical system. The electrical system in your Chevy is like its nervous system. It powers everything from the engine to the infotainment screen. Without it, even the most robust transmission won't get you far. Modern Chevrolets rely on a tight network of components working together, with tech that's smarter and more efficient than ever. Key players include the battery, alternator, starter, and a maze of wiring, all controlled by onboard computers. These systems don't just start the engine. They manage fuel efficiency, safety features, and even your cabin's comfort. Newer models pack innovations like regenerative braking, in hybrids and EVs, and advanced power management to reduce strain on components. Key components of the Chevrolet electrical system. Your Chevy's electrical system is a team effort. Here's who does what. Battery. The heart of the system. It stores power to start the engine and runs electronics when the car's off. A weak battery means slow cranking or no start, no surprises there. Alternator. Keeps the battery charged while driving. If it fails, your battery drains fast, and you might see warning lights flicker. Starter. Uses battery power to crank the engine. A clicking noise when you turn the key. That's often the starter begging for help. Fuses and relays. Tiny but mighty. They protect circuits from overloads. Blown fuses can kill power to anything from your radio to your headlights. Chevy's newer models add features like auto stop start, to save fuel, and smarter energy distribution. These rely on precise voltage control, so even small electrical issues can throw the system off. Common electrical issues in Chevrolet vehicles. Electrical gremlins are frustrating but usually follow patterns. Here are the usual suspects. Battery drain. Dead battery overnight. It might be a parasitic draw, something staying on when it shouldn't. Check for aftermarket accessories first. Faulty wiring. Frayed wires or corroded connectors cause intermittent issues. Your power windows might work sometimes, then suddenly quit. Alternator failure. Dimming lights or a battery warning light. Your alternator could be on its way out. A voltage test confirms it. Quick checks. Test battery terminals for corrosion, clean them with baking soda and water. Listen for unusual clicks or whines when starting the car. Scan for trouble codes. A cheap OBD2 reader can spot early warnings. Ignoring small electrical quirks can snowball into bigger problems. Regular checks keep your Chevy's nervous system, and your sanity, intact. Understanding Chevrolet transmissions. Chevrolet transmissions play a crucial role in delivering power from the engine to the wheels. Whether you drive a Silverado, a Camaro, or a compact Equinox, the type of transmission under the hood affects performance, fuel economy, and driving feel. Some models prioritize smooth shifts, while others focus on efficiency, or even raw speed. Knowing how your transmission works helps you spot problems early and maintain it properly. Types of transmissions in Chevrolet models. Chevrolet uses three main types of transmissions, each with its own strengths. Automatic transmissions, AT. The go-to choice for most drivers. Modern Chevy automatics, like the 6-speed, 8-speed, or 10-speed options, shift smoothly and optimize performance. Models like the Silverado and Tahoe rely on these for towing power, while sedans like the Malibu use them for comfort and efficiency. Manual transmissions, MT. Less common but loved by enthusiasts. A solid manual shifter gives you full control, especially in sporty cars like the Camaro SS or older models like the Corvette, pre-2020. Fewer parts mean fewer things to break, but they demand more driver input. Continuously variable transmissions, CVT. Found in efficient models like the Chevy Trailblazer, these eliminate gear shifts for seamless acceleration. They boost fuel economy but often lack the sporty feel of traditional automatics. Each type suits different needs. Automatics handle heavy loads, manuals offer control, and CVTs prioritize gas mileage without gear hunting. Common transmission problems and solutions. Even well-built transmissions wear down over time. Here are frequent issues Chevy owners report, and how to prevent them. Slipping gears. The engine revs but the car doesn't accelerate as it should. Often caused by low or degraded transmission fluid. Check fluid levels and color. Bright red is good, brown or burnt smelling means trouble. Delayed shifting. Hesitation when switching gears, especially from a stop. This could mean failing solenoids or a clogged filter. A fluid flush might help, but persistent delays need a mechanic's check. Fluid leaks. Puddles under your car. Transmission fluid is usually red or pink. Ignoring leaks leads to low fluid levels and, eventually, damage. Inspect seals and gaskets regularly. Maintenance tips. Follow the recommended fluid change intervals, check your owner's manual. Avoid hard driving, quick starts and abrupt stops strain the transmission. Listen for odd noises like whining or grinding during shifts. Warm up your car in cold weather to let fluid circulate before driving. A well-maintained transmission keeps your Chevy running smoothly for years. Treat it right, and it won't leave you stranded. This was part 1 of the Chevrolet Electrical System and Transmission Guide. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll go over common problems and practical maintenance tips. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.